Hello YouTubers, welcome to the home of Science and Maths Hub. Today we are going to do grade 12, theorem number 4, Euclidean Geometry. Theorem number 4 goes like, the perpendicular drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right-angled triangle to the hypotenuse divides the triangle into two triangles that are similar to each other and similar to the original triangle. This is the triangle that we are given. Then, given that A1 plus A2 is 90 degrees, A1 plus A2 is 90 degrees, the combination of this angle A is 90 degrees, D2 is 90 degrees. This line is perpendicular to the hypotenuse. So D2 is 90 degrees, D1 is 90 degrees. We are required to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBA, similar to triangle DAC. Now, coming back to proof, when we prove grade 12, please make it a norm that when you are doing Euclidean geometry, you include your statement and your reasoning. Right. We are going to take one of these two triangles. Let's start at triangle ABC. You turn your marker right, we consider triangle ABC and triangle DBA, right? If it is like that, now put it in a point form, point 1. You see, triangle ABC here is ABC, the whole triangle with DBA. Now we are taking this triangle and that triangle. In other words, let me draw it here so that you can see what we are talking about. We are talking about triangle ABC. Talking about all these triangle ABC and triangle DBA, and this triangle we're talking about DBA and triangle ABC. In other words, we take the whole triangle. Inside that whole triangle, there is a small section called DBA, right? Number 1, you see, this B is there in triangle BAD and it is present in triangle BABC. So we have B is equals to B. The reason for that, this B is common to both triangles. Common. Point number 2, you come and say, you see, this BDA, you have D1, we have A1 and 2 is equals to D1. This D1 is in triangle DBA. So we have D1 here, which is 90 degrees. The reason is both are equals to 90 degrees. We were given that. We were given that A1 and A2 here is 90 degrees and D2 is 90 degrees. Right, the third one, remember grade 12, you are rushing here. In order for you to avoid to make some mistakes, do not prove the third side. The third side is automatic. Just grab the last vertex that you are going to do so that you equate it to the next of the other triangle. Let's try and check A, B, C. You have A and B. You are left with C. You take your C for the point number 3. You say C is equals to, you go to triangle DBA. You have B and D. What is missing? You have B and D. What is missing is A. What A is this? You check to the original. So it's A1. You see now, the reason for this is third side of the triangle. It's automatic. Right. From here, you can conclude that, therefore, triangle, you take it according to the sequence. If you want to take it to according to what you are given here, you can do that, but you must make sure that you mark which one is what. If they say A, you come triangle A, here is your A, you'll write it, this is the first. You'll write this is the first. A, B, where is your B? This is your second. And C is your third. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle. You go where you said A. Your A is D. D, B was P, was number 2. C was number 3, corresponds with A. You see now, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBA. You want it to appear as it is required from the setter. The person who setted the paper wants you to check it in like this. Otherwise, you can go on straight and say triangle BAC is similar to triangle BDA. You see? But now I'm giving you the tip as to how do you want it to appear as it is required of you here from the given statement. The required part, it must be exactly like that. Now we go for number 2. This was number 1. Number 2. Number 2, it is going to be, consider triangle ABC and the small triangle, we took BDA. Now we take ADC. ADC. So I am going to take this and leave it as it is and draw the one that we are talking about this side. This is your NLC. So you are going to take ADC. That is what we are talking about now. So if you can check, you see your C appears on both triangle ABC and ADC. So the C is common. The first instant is C is equals to C. Reason common. Right. The second one, go for the 90 degrees. You see, this is triangle ABC. For ABC, at ABC, which one is 90 degrees? A1 and A2 is given as 90 degrees. A1 and A2 is equals to D2. Given both is equals to 90 degrees. Remember, you can write your A1 plus A2 with a small subscript, or you can write A1 with a small subscript A1 and A2 with a small subscript 2. So it is acceptable to say A1 plus 2 or A1 plus A2. That does not matter. Then the third element, this was the second one. The third element, automatic. Let's go. We have C, we have A in the big triangle. We have C, we have A. We are left with B. B is the one that is missing. B must be equal to, let's see, in ADC, which one do we have missing? We have C present, D present, we have A which is missing. And then element B is equals to element A2. Remember, it's 2 here. A2. The reason for that is third side. Third element of triangle. If you are dealing with sides, you say third side. So for this one, it is a special case. We have to take this side out and put angle. Third angle of a triangle. If you are dealing with sides, you say third side. But because we are dealing with angle, we are going for to represent it in an angle form. Now, therefore, triangle CAB. But we come here and check ABC. We want triangle ABC. And now do that little trick I told you before. You see, we have A, the first one was A. So we say this is A, number 1, B, number 2, C, number 3. So we are going to follow that order. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle. You come here, you said the first one is A. You come and say A. The second one is B. Oh, sorry, it's not A. This was A for triangle ABC. It is going to be D for this other triangle, smallest one. So if this one goes with this one, we come and grab D. Second one is B. You come and grab A. The third one is C. You come and put C. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. You see? DAC. Therefore, you can conclude that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAB, similar to triangle DAC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DBA and similar to triangle DAC. That is all I have for you, grade 12. Please make sure that you practice. This is a little bit of piece of cake. It's simple for you. I know you can make it. You can grab it and squash it. Please do not forget to practice every day. And like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and send it to others. If you share it to others, you are giving them a plug as well so that they must not be left out. Uncle Pai Kokoras will see you in the next coming videos. Have a nice day.